Hey YouTube, this is Oasis Rising, and this is day 4 of my 20 models in 10 days little project challenge. And I'm still trying to work out how to take advantage of the zenithal highlighting. So far I've added in skin color and with just a thin coat of rat skin flesh. As well as trying out inks for the blues and the browns. So, let's see. So for the blue inks, it kind of gives a nice transparent effect there. But the inks always end up shiny, so I'm not really sure if I'm doing this right. I'm kind of out of my element here with speed painting, so well, this is the progress I've made. I had a nice long painting session today, so I've made more progress than I expected. That guy's foot's still blue, and yeah, I forgot his helmet too. So I still have the golds to finish, and the skin needs a lot of work, but again, I'm kind of floundering here as to how to do this the most efficient, and it's tough when you have cats trying to sit on your models. So I wanted to also point you to Archaeolas' channel. He's joined in with his 10 models in 10 days, the Empire Flagellants. It kind of sounds like you've got flagellants. I'm not sure how to say that. But go check his channel out, and he's got some nice work he's done with washes to achieve the effect he wants quickly. So check him out, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.